Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see WebDriver commands in Selenium. So we are going to use these commands while writing codes, and it's very important to know about all the commands available in Selenium WebDriver. And these are very useful because we are going to use it in our regular basis. First, let's see what are the commonly used commands. So basically it's in three sections. One is browser command, the other one is navigate command, and the third one is web element command. So basically it's divided in three different sections and every section contains different command. So first let's check about the browser command. So in this browser command, basically you have different commands like get method, get title command, get current URL, get page sources, close command, and quit command. So these commands are basically used to perform different operations. It's like get command. This is used to pass the URL, the website URLs we pass in get command. Get title. It helps you to get the title of the current page. Get current URL. This helps you to get the URL of the current page. Get page sources. So this helps you to get the source of the current page. Now close command. This is used to close the web page that's open on your screen. And quit command is basically used to close all the web page open in the Chrome driver. So basically when you see these names, its function is based on the name as it's written. So it's very easy to remember when if you follow the name, what exactly it's trying to say. Now navigate command, this is one of the most important command that's used to navigate in different pages. So if you talk about navigate command, there is navigate to that tells us that to which particular page you want to navigate to. The next one is navigate in forward. So basically this will help you to navigate in the forward direction in the current page itself. If you want to move to the next screen, it helps you to navigate to that particular scene. So if you want to move back, you'll use navigate dot back. And if you want to navigate or refresh the current page, you'll use navigate dot refresh. Now here, you have some web element commands. Now these commands are usually used very often. So some of the commands are clear command, send keys, click, is display, is enabled, is selected, submit, get text, get tag name, get CSS value, get attributes, get size, and get location. Now I say it's very easy to remember all these commands because I tell you, this goes with the name. So if you talk about the clear command, this is used to clear the values if any value is written in the input text. Send keys, this is used to send the value to the input text that's present in an HTML page. So if you want to send any value to a web page, you use send keys. Click, this helps you to perform click on a particular button. So if you have any button or if you have any clickable object, you can click using this click command. Is display, this is used to check whether if you are looking for some value, is it displayed on that screen? So just we use the display command. Is enabled, just to check whether a button or a particular click is enabled or not. Is selected, just to check whether the contact is selected or not. Submit is this is used to submit the values to like just after username and password if you want to submit the login details, so it's use the submit command. Now get text, this will help you to get the text from the current page. Get tag name, this will help you to get the tag name of front end page. So get CSS value, this will help you to get the CSS values that's written in the current page. And when it comes to get attributes to a particular section, the values in attributes helps you can fetch it using get attributes command. And get location will give you the location of the current page. So all these commands, if you see when I was just talking based on the names, and the functioning is completely similar to what you are doing in terms of name. So that's how you handle these commands. And these are the different commands that you'll come across while writing codes in Selenium. So just follow them and use them according to the requirement. That's all in this video. See you with next topic in another video.